Luna, come here. Luna, come here. Luna, what is that? Luna, look.
Dude! Jeez, she's gonna get pinched. No, 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 no. God.
Look, she just, she'll get it.
Oh my God.
Wait, stop, stop. Let her fight it. She's a dog. It's not got poison. Look, that's not, stop. Stop. Look, it knows right where to go. Get it, Luna. Get it.
Oh, nice move, Luna.
Luna, get it. Get it. She's fine. What a good guard dog. If any crawfish come attack us. Oh my kid. Look, the crawfish is backing down.
Oh, it's got an angle on it. She's smashing it. Oh, use your mouth, Luna.
It's funny that she knows it can go get the antenna. Yeah. It knows.
Oh, God.
She knows that it can pinch her.
Yeah, after its first pinch.
Mother.
Like that.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
Have you had enough?
That's funny. Okay. That was funny.